Uncover the meaning, out of bed, in English. Hello, English enthusiasts. Welcome to our language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, out of bed. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your skills, understanding these expressions can make a big difference in sounding native and fluent. So, let's explore this phrase together and get you confidently using it in no time. When we think about the phrase, out of bed, the most straightforward meaning is simply leaving the bed after sleeping or resting. It's what you do every morning when you wake up or when someone asks if you've gotten up yet. It's used like this: I usually get out of bed by 7 a.m. He's still not out of bed? It's almost noon. It's a common phrase that relates to the daily routine of starting one's day. Interestingly, out of bed can also have a figurative meaning. In English, phrases often extend beyond their literal interpretation to express a state of mind or activity level. For instance, it's time to get out of bed with your dreams and turn them into reality. She finally got out of bed with her fears and started her own business. Here, getting out of bed symbolizes taking action or making progress in one's life rather than the act of leaving the actual bed. You can use out of bed in various contexts to add nuance and depth to your conversations. Here are some examples. To describe effort, it takes a lot to get him out of bed for a morning run. To discuss activity, once I'm out of bed, I'm full of energy for the whole day. To talk about mood, she's been down lately, hardly getting out of bed before sunset. English phrases often appear in cultural references like movies, songs, or popular sayings, giving them color and life. For instance, out of bed can be part of a motivational quote or joke. The hardest part of any journey is getting out of bed. Life is too short to waste it staying in bed. Get out of bed and live it to the fullest. Understanding such uses can help in comprehending English media and conversational nuances. Thank you for watching. I hope this video makes getting out of bed with English phrases a little easier and a lot more fun. Remember, learning a language is like getting out of bed. The first step is always the toughest, but once you're up, there's a whole day of opportunities waiting for you. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to replay this video if you need a refresher. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.